Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to unfreeze your Wix website footer. This is particularly useful when you want your footer to scroll naturally with the rest of your page content instead of staying fixed at the bottom of the screen. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Wix website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Here, click on Site and Mobile App and a drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this drop-down, select Website to proceed to your website management area. Now you'll be taken to a page where you can preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important step because it allows you to confirm that this is indeed the website where you want to unfreeze the footer. Take a moment to make sure you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites through your Wix account. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this button on the top part of your screen, usually positioned beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the website editor where all the design magic happens. Go ahead and click on it to move forward. After clicking Design Site, you'll be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you can make all sorts of design changes to your website. Now you need to locate the footer you wish to unfreeze. The footer is usually located at the bottom of the page, so scroll down until you reach the footer section. Once you can see it, click directly on the footer element to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see handles or a border appear around it. With the footer selected, right-click on the footer element. This action will open a small menu with various options for managing the footer's properties. From this menu, look for the option labeled Freeze Position. You'll notice it's currently toggled on, which is why your footer has been frozen in place. Simply toggle Freeze Position off to unfreeze this footer. Your footer will now scroll naturally with the rest of your page content instead of remaining fixed at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. You've successfully unfrozen your Wix website footer, and it will now behave like a standard footer element. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.